And magandang gabi. Happy Tuesday. First game natin, Colas kontra Triple MDC. And magandang gabi. Hello everyone. Dakbakan ng Triple MDC kontra Colas Print Shop. And first game natin, edition nyo ng SPL ng Team Papawis Season 3 Second Conference. Bola ng Triple MDC, Soriano, Abian. Same ball tayo. And the first quarter, 8 minutes. No! So natin, wala pa nakakabutan sa the first quarter. Pull up jumper. Rebound ng Bian in the first quarter. Valero, number 19. Wala foul, Soriano. Gandang pase yun sa Triple MDC. Score natin 2-0, favor of Triple M for the 3. Rebound number 19, Valero. Valero, number 19, power move. Hindi lang nakompleto yung layup na yun. Score natin 2-0. Pass to number, intercept pa dito. Jason for the 3. No! Number 19, Valero. Score natin 2-0. Soriano for the 3. Soriano, no. Put back. Valero, no. Score natin. Number 4. Season. Oras natin, 8 minutes. And 19 seconds. Power move. Score natin 2-0. Favor of Triple MDC. Erin, fake. Senyido for the 3. Senyido, no. Rebound number 4, Avian. To number 8, Soriano. Wala pass. Pass it is good. Valero. Score natin 4-0. Favor of Triple MDC. Unang bakbakan pa lang to ng SBL ng Team Papawis. Yan na ba? Bang! Nakabutas na ang Colas Print Shop. Score natin 4-3. Abante ng isa ang Triple MDC. And the first quarter, Soriano. Abian, baseline. Abian, power move, no. Put back. Wala pa rin sa Triple MDC. Abian, no. To number 27, Soriano. Senyido is good. Gandang galaw niyan. Oras natin, 7 minutes exactly. And the first quarter, Soriano. Number 8, may foul. Running shot is good. Score natin 6-5. Balik sa isang kalamangan dito ng Triple MDC in the first quarter. Oras natin 6 minutes and 35 in the first quarter. Isa lang ang kalamangan dito ng Triple MDC. Season intercept dito ng AAA. Soriano is good. Oras natin 6 minutes and 20 in the first quarter. Running shot. No. Bola ng Colas Print Shop. Score natin 8-5. Tatlo ang kalamangan dito ng Triple MDC. Senyido, pull up J. Rebound number 20. Pass to number 8. Soriano is a layup. Is good. Score natin 10-5. Oras natin, 5 minutes and 45. Ano gagawin dito ng Colas? Senyido for the 3. No. Power rebound. Ng Corliss dito, may foul. Basket is good. Score natin. Official score. Ang alamang tira. No. Official score 10-5. 5 ang kalamangan dito na Triple M. Abian goes to goes up and under. Abian is good. Power move. Score natin 12-5. 7 ang kalamangan dito na Triple M. May foul. Oras natin 5 minutes inside the first to second to third. Change player tayo. Score natin 12-5. Ayan, shoutout mo na kay Boss Omar Prado. At sa bumubuo ng commissioner ng SBL ng Team Papawis. Unang tira is good. Score natin 12-6. Ayan, shoutout mo na sa sponsor ng SBL ng Team Papawis. Aleo Glass and Aluminum. Di Brusco, kay Pastries. Dark Cafe, Q&A Business Management, BNG Water Station, Underground Sport Bar, J2K, Audio Night Rental, powered by Brap Official, and Modern Brand Chat, and GDR Creatives. Score natin 12-6, 6 ang kalamangan dito ng Triple M for the three, so we don't know. Putback Arada is good. Lista mo na. Kay Boss yan. Score natin 12-8. Oras natin 4 minutes and 30. Kalagno. Elonsay. Kalagno. Pull up. J. Kalagno is good. Score natin 14-8. 6 ang kalamangan dito ng Triple MDC in the first quarter. Magkalinyas. To Arada. Intercept dito. Arada, full of J of the glass, no. Rebound, fake shot. Wala pa rin. Sa kolas yan. Bola ng Triple MDC. Shoutout kay Idol Ronald Herning. Score natin 14-8. 6 ang kalamangan dito ng Triple M. And the first quarter. Nadal, Tumasbad. Masbad for the 3. No. Rebound Arada. Score natin 14-8. Oras natin 2 minutes and 35. Markalinya. Intercept dito Kalagno. And on slide. Is a layup. It's good. Score natin 16-8. Ano gagawin dito? Marsalenya. No. Rebound Nadal. Tumatakbo dito ang Triple MDC. Nadal. Kalagno. Power move. Baseline is good. Kalagno. Score natin 18-8. 10 na ang kalamangan dito na Triple M. In the first quarter, ano ang gagawin dito ng Colas? Arada. Favorite shot. Arada is good. And on Sly, number 3, ding the ball. In the first quarter, score natin 18-10. Del Prado. Nadal for the 3. Nadal short. Arada. Pass to Arada. Ano re? Intercept dito ng Triple M. And on Sly, Kalagno. Pull up. J50. Footer. Niluwa ng ring. Arada. Pass to Anore. Power move. Anore. May foul. Si Del Prado. Score natin 18-10. Naghahabol pa rin ang Colas Friendship. And the first quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng SBL yan. Ng Team Papawis. Season 3, second conference. Ano re? It's good. Oras natin, 1 minute and 55. In the first quarter. Masbad, quarter 3, yan na ba? Masbad, no. Tumatakbo dito. Ang Colas Spring Shop, ano, re? Traveling violation. Score natin, 18-12. Anim ang kalamangan dito ng Triple MDC. First game pa lang to ng SBL. And on Sly, running shot. Huli ka ni Anore. Oras natin, 1 minute and 35 in the first quarter. Del Prado, fake. Del Prado, pull-up jumper. Del Prado, rebound number 6. Off the glass. Masbad is good. Score natin, 20-12. 8 ang kalamangan ng Triple MDC. 1 minute and 19 seconds. Arada, yan na ba? No. Marsalina to Arada. Fake. Pull-up jumper. No, wala pa rin sa Colas. Putback. Arada is good. 20-14. Anim ang kalamangan dito ng Triple MDC. In the first quarter, 55 seconds. Bunang bakbakan pa lang to ng SBL Team Papawis Season 3 Second Conference. And on Sly of the glass. No. Kalagno. Intercept dito ng Colas. Fake. Huli, binali pa. No. Rebound number 6. Masbad. 20-14. Del Prado to Masbad. Huli ka ni Arada. Pass to number 25. Arada. Mark Cariñas is good. Oras natin, 20 seconds in the first quarter. And on Sly. Didiscarded dito. And on Sly. To Del Prado. 3 seconds up the buzzer. Arada. 5. Marcelinias is good. 2018. Shoutout sa family Salazar, Ate Jessa Salazar. Ayan, official score 2019. Isa lang ang ibabaon dito ng Triple MDC. Hatid sa inyo ng SBL ng Team Papawis Season 3 Second Conference. Shoutout kay Idol Lordson. Idol, dinadownload pa. Ayun, shoutout muna kay Boss Omar Prado at sa bumuo ng Commissioner ng SBL Season 3 Second Conference. Ano gagawin dito ng Colas Season? Score natin 2019. Pull up J. Huli ka sa likod ni Santiago. Santillan. Tumatakbo dito ang Triple MDC. Santillan. Traveling violation. Shoutout kay Kuya Darilay Salvador. Next game natin, Win Tufol kontra Logic Say. Maganda bakbakan yan. Second game natin. Ito, maganda rin bakbakan to. Colas Spring Shop kontra Triple MDC for the 3. No, rebound number 16 Santiago. Santillan. Santillan dito, didiscard. Santillan, spin move, no. May foul. Ang Triple MDC doon, sayang yung pagkakataon na yun sa Triple MDC. Oras natin, 9 minutes exactly. 2019 na score natin. Naghahabol nga ng isa ang Colas dito. Number 17. Season, fake season. Yan na ba? Season, airball. Eh, short mo na sa family season. Score natin, 2019. Isa lang ang kalamangan ng Triple MDC.
Pasak.
Official score, 20-19 and a second quarter. Maaalagaan ba ng Triple MBC ang kalamangan nila? O susungkitin ang kalamangan nila? Kontra Cola Spring Shop. Number 0, Del Prado. Bring the ball. Del Prado, yan na ba? Del Prado. No. Bola lang, Cola Spring Shop. Wala pa nakakabutas in the first quarter. And the second quarter, 20-19. Ang score natin. Ayun, shoutout muna sa SBL ang sponsor. Sa mga basketball ng Team Papawis. Alayo Glass and Aluminum. Bibrusco Cake and Pastries. Dark Cafe, Q&A Business Management, and BNG Distant Water Station, Underground Sportwear, and J2K Audio Light Rental powered by Brown Official and Modern Bride Shop, and GDR Creatives. Season, yan na ba for the free ball? Hatid sa inyo ng SBL yan and Dunkin Donut, pasalubong ng bayan de Los Santos to Del Prado. 22-20 lamang na ang Colas Santiago. Number 0, Del Prado to number 15, running shot, basket is good. Number 4, Season, 4 ang kalaban niya dito. Season, maghihintay mo ng rest back. 15 second shoot. Power move. Ano gagawin dito ng Colas? Pull up J. No. Ay, shoutout kay Boss Al Medina. Deadlock tayo. All 22. Number 4 Season. Nako play. Basket is good. 24-22. Balik sa kalamangan dito sa Cola Spring Shop. And a second quarter, 24-22. Del Prado, bring the ball. Del Prado, pass to number 15. Niliwanag ring. Pass to number 4. Season. Season, didiscard dito. Running shot. Power rebound number 16. Santiago. Pass to De Los Santos. 24-22. Power move. Basket is good. Deadlock tayo. All 24. Number 77. Discard baseline. Binali pa. Hindi lang makumpleto. Season. Traveling violation. Gandang depensa ang ginawa dito ng Triple MDC. 24-24, deadlock tayo. And a second quarter. Oras natin, 6 minutes and 19 seconds, second quarter. Ayun, shoutout mo na kay Boss Kiel Disenyo, happy birthday. As to number 27, Santillan. To Del Prado, for that free. Del Prado short, put back, basket is good. Santillan. Number 4, Season. Wala pass. Hindi lang nakakompleto yung layup na yun. Santillan, 26-24. Number 0, Del Prado. Anong gagawin dito? Santillan, pull up, J. Rebound pa rin, number 15. Bola ng Cola Spring Shop. Oras natin, 5 minutes and 35. And a second quarter. Dalawa ang kalamangan ng Triple M. Season, pangalawa na ba? Bang! 27-26. Balik sa kalamangan sa Cola Spring Shop. Del Prado, babawi ba? Del Prado, no. Pass to number 4. Favorite ba? Layup is good. Back-to-back basket yan kay Erin Season. Oras natin, 5 minutes exactly. Kada 5 minutes, first to second to third, change player tayo. Ayun ang rules dito sa SBL ng Team Papawis. Season 3 second conference, 29-26, tatlo ang kalamangan ng Colas. And a second quarter. Ayun, shoutout mo na kay Boss Omar Prado at sa bumubo ng commissioner ng SBL ng Team Papawis. 29-26, Pasbad. Ano gagawin dito ng Triple MDC? Pasbad number 6. Bingo ball. Pasbad. Wala pass. Kalagdo. Oh, intercept dito. Marsaleñas. Basket is good. 31-26. 5 ang kalamangan dito ng Colas. Pasbad. Kalagdo. Pull up J. Kalagdo. Short. Marsaleñas. Number 2. Tuarada. When a fake and roll is good. Gandang amo yan. Arada to Marsaleñas. 26-33. 7 ang kalamangan ng Colas Friendship kontra Triple MDC. And once again, shoutout mo na sa sponsor ng SBL ng Team Papawis. Aleo Glass and Aluminum, De Brusco Cake and Pastries, Dark Coffee, Q&A Business Management, PNG Distant Water Station, Underground Sportwear, and J2K Audio Night Rental, powered by Bravo Official, and Modern by Chat, and GDR Creatives. Balik action tayo second quarter, 33-26. Ano ang gagawin dito ng Triple MDC? First game pa lang to ng SBL. Intercept dito si number 23 Marsaleñas. Arada pull up J. Rebound. Intercept Marsaleñas. Late layup. Huli ka. 33-26. Abante na dito ang Colas. Anore to Arada. Basket is good. Umaarangkada na ang Colas Friendship in the second quarter. Soriano, yan na ba? Soriano. Airball. Anore. Marsaleñas. Basket is good. 37-26. 11 na ang kalamangan ng Colas. Masbad. Pull up jumper. Masbad. Rebound number 10. Number 20. To number 9. Kalagdo. Yan na ba? Pull up jumper. Kalagdo is good. 37-28. Abante pa rin ang Colas Friendship. In the second quarter, Anore. To Arada. 10 seconds to shoot. Gandang ball movement ang ginagawa dito ng Colas. Basket is good. To number 8. Soriano, 1-on-1. Soriano. Late. Hindi lang nakakompleto yung layup na yun. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 25. Same ball pa rin. Bola pa rin ang Colas. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 19 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Anore. Traveling violation. 10 over sa Colas. Ayun, magandang gabi sa inyo. Happy Tuesday. Ayun, ingat kayo. Madulas ang daan mga idol. At dahan-dahan sa pagmumotor mga idol. Ay, manood muna kayong bakbakang Triple MDC kontra Colas Friendship. First game pa lang to ng SBL ng Team Papawis. No. Score natin 39-28. Anore fake. Anore to Arada of the glass. Basket is good. Umaarangkada na ang Colas Friendship. And a second quarter, 41-28. Over sa Triple MDC. 41-28. Ayun, shoutout kay Idol Sian Gondra. Ay, magandang gabi sa inyo. Happy Tuesday! Manon muna kay bakbakang Triple MDC kontra Colas Bolero. Basket is good. 1 minute and 9 seconds, second quarter. Number 2 to number 23. Ano gagawin dito ng Colas? Arada, favorite shot! Basic na basic ang basketball sa Colas Friendship. 43-30, Masbad to Calagno. Valero, well, a beautiful pass to Masbad. Bola ng Triple M. 43-32, labing-isa ang kalamangan ng Colas. Number 19, didiscarded dito. To number 20, running shot, putback is good. 25 seconds, second quarter. Warning. Delay of the game si number 19. 43-34. Babasa siya mga kalamangan ng Colas Friendship. 43. 10 seconds. May sa linya, may foul. Umabot pa yung foul na yun. Wala pang penalty mga idol. 43-34. Naghahabol nga ang Triple MDC kontra Colas Friendship. Arada. No. 5 seconds. Oras natin. Calagno. And official score 43-34. And in the second half, score natin 43-34. Abante pa rin ang Colas Friendship kontra Triple MDC. Shoutout muna kay Boss Omer Prado at sa bumubuo ng SBL ng Team Papawis. Shoutout muna sa sponsor ng SBL ng Team Papawis, Aleo Glass and Aluminum, Vibrusco Cake and Pastries, Dark Cafe, Q&A Business Management, BNG Water Station, Underground Sportwear, and J2K Audio Online Rental, powered by Bravo Official, and Modern Bike Shot, and GDR Creatives. Ayun, balik aksyon tayo. Maaalagaan ba ng Colas ang kalamangan nila o makakabalik dito ang Triple MDC in the third quarter? Shoutout kay Idol Barkley Villa. Ay, magandang gabi sa inyo. Happy Tuesday. Makbakan ng Triple MDC kontra Colas. Sino ang madudungisan sa kanilang record? Enons Lino. Dahil nga, tig-isang panalo na sila. Both team. Senyido for the 3. Short putback. Arada is good. $45-34. Balik sa 11 kalamangan. Del Prado. Enonslay sa step. Putback number. Basket is good. 45-36. Number 16. Pass to Arada. Back to back ba? Arada. No. Rebound putback. Napaganda pa. Niluwalong ring. Putback is good. Butas na butas ang depensa dito. 47-36. Balik sa 11 ang kalamangan ng Colas. 15 seconds to shoot. Elon Sly. Abyan. Power move. May foul. Matid sa inyo ng SBL ng Team Papawis. And Dunkin Donut. Pasalubong ng bayan. Abyan. Unang tira. Score natin 47-36. Naghahabol na nga ang Triple MDC in the third quarter. Ayun. Next game natin, Win 2-4 kontra Project Say. Magandang bakbakan yan. Pero, manood muna kayong bakbakan Colas Friendship kontra Triple MDC. First game pa lang to ng SBL ng Team Papawis. Ano gagawin dito? Ng Colas Friendship, Senyido. Rebound number 16, Santiago. And on Sly, aabutan pa. Sayang yung pagkakataon na yun. Sa Triple MDC, drug testing. Score natin, 47-37. 10 ang kalamang. Arada, 50-footer. Arada is good. Oras natin, 8 minutes exactly. And the third quarter, Del Prado. 49-37. And on Sly, yan na ba? Bang! At isa nyo ng SBL. And Dunkin' Donut. Pasalubong ng bayan. 49-40. Pabasa siya mga kalamangan ng Colas. Senyido, babawi ba? No. Power rebound. Intercept dito, Abyan. And on Sly, 2-2 labanan. Abyan, and on Sly. It's good! Back-to-back basket dyan kay non Sly. 49-42. Oras natin, 7 minutes and 20 in the third quarter. Ano gagawin dito ng Colas? Bumababa na. Ang kalamangan nila, Arada, favorite shot. Arada is good. (51-42). Naghahabol pa rin ang Triple MDC. Del Prado. Santiago. No. Rebound na kanino? Arada. 51-42. Abante pa rin ang Colas. Senyido. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 77. No hesitate. Power rebound. Na kanino? Abyan. And on Sly. Tatlo kalaban niya dito. And on Sly. Stop and pop. No. 51-42. Abante pa rin ang Colas. Ano gagawin dito? Number 77. Arada. Hindi lang nagkaamo yan yung magkakampi. 10 over. Sa Colas Friendship. Oras natin. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. And on Sly. Binalik kayo ng Sly. Fake. 51-42. Abyan. Number 4. Traveling violation. 10 over sa Triple MDC. 50. Oras natin, 5 minutes and 54. And a third quarter. And shoutout mo na kay Boss Omar Prado. At sa bumubo ng SBL ng Team Papawis Season 3. Second conference, Arada. Basket is good. Arada. Maganda ang pinapakita dito. And a third quarter. Ano gagawin dito ng Triple M? Huli. Kasi may foul. Ayan, shoutout mo na sa Triple MDC Drug Testing Center. Abante pa rin ang Colas Friendship kontra Triple MDC. 53-43. Ayun, shoutout mo na kay Ate Rosan Del Prado. Tumatakbo dito ang Colas. Number 77, behind the back. Intercept. May foul. Ano ang atol ng referee natin? Bibigyan ba ng playground man? Pag-uusapan natin ng official, ng Brab, official yan. Kung playground ba? Dahil nakababa na yung tatlo. Mga idol. 53-43. Ano ang atol ng referee? Foul lang ang binigay. Shoutout kay Idol JR Matanglawin. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Happy Tuesday. Ingat kayo, galing sa trabaho mga idol, madulas ang daan. Manood muna kayong bakbakan, triple MDC. And on Sly, 53-43, Del Prado. It is discarded. Foul! Del Prado. Oras natin, 5 minutes exactly. First to second to third. Change player tayo. Pero fourth quarter, anytime, pwede na kayong pumasok. 53-43. Ayun, shoutout muna sa sponsor ng Samang Basketball ng Team Papawis, Aleo Glass and Aluminum, The Brusco Cake and Pastries, Dark Cafe, Q&A Business Management, BNG Water Station, Underground Sportwear, and J2K Audio Light Rental powered by Ralph Official and Modern Bike Shot and GDR Creatives. Basket is good, Del Prado. And shoutout muna kay Boss Omar Prado at sa bumubuo ng commissioner ng SBL ng Team Papawis Season 3 Second Conference. 53-44, Del Prado 2 for 2. 53-45. Paba sa 8 ang kalamangan ng Colas. Ayun na third quarter. 53-45. Number 17. Kung ano re. Pinali kay number 17. Wall of J. No. Rebound pa rin. Number 23. Ano re for the 3. Bang! Ayun, shoutout muna kay Boss Patrick Apareo. Ayun, shoutout muna sa kay Boss Banong Installment. Ay, cycle. Mas bad yan, aba. Mas bad is good. Bang! Back to back to isang binitawan dito ng both team. 56-48. Erin season. Number 23. Next game natin. Project Say kontra Queen Tubol for the 3. Yes, sir! Mas bad. Back to back ba? Mas bad. Yes, sir! Mas bad for the 3. Back to back ang binitawan both team. 59-51. In the third. Pull up J. Ano re? Rebound number 0 Del Prado. 59-51. Del Prado. Calagdo. De Los Santos. Intercept dito. Intercept in number 6. Mas bad. May pagkakataon. Mabuhasan ang kalamangan. Mas bad. Fake. May buy. Traveling pala. Sayang yung opportunity. Sa Triple M, 59-51. And a third quarter. Number 23, Erin. Didiscarded dito. Erin, wala papasahan. Same ball. Eight second to shoot. Ano re? For the 3, pangalawa na ba? Ano re? Yes! Sir! 62-51, 2 minutes and 30. Balik sa 11 De Los Santos. No rebound, ano rin? Pass to number 4. Season. Wala, beautiful pass. Basket is good. Ten over pa. 10 over sa Triple MDC. 64-51. 13 na ang kalamangan. Bola ng Triple MDC. 64-51. Number 0, Del Prado. Soriano. Number 8, Soriano. to number 6, Masbad. Symbol tayo. Del Prado to Masbad. Order 3, Masbad. De Los Santos. Late layup. Shoutout kay Boss Arman. Shoutout kay Idol JR Matanglawin. Season no. Rebound number 23, De Los Santos. To number 8, Soriano. Our move is good. 64-55. Balik sa siya mga kalamangan ng Colas. One a pass. Basket is good. 66-55. Del Prado. Del Prado running shot. Rebound. Same ball. Soriano for the 3. Soriano no. 66-55. 55 seconds in the third quarter. Number 17. 10 seconds to shoot. One a pass. Traveling. Oras natin 46 seconds. 46 seconds in the third quarter. Naghahabol pa rin ang triple ang DC. Masbad, didiscarded dito. Seeing the ball, Masbad. Number 6, pink, shot, no, Kalagdo, putback, Kalagdo, huli ka. Ano rin? Ayun, next game natin, Project Say kontra Win Tupol. Magandang bakbakan yan. Sino? Ayan, mananalo na kanila. Manood muna kayong bakbakan Triple MDC De Los Santos. No! Rebound Kalagdo. May foul. Atid sa inyo. Penalty na ang Colas. 66-55. May pagkakataon mabawasan ang kalamangan ng Colas. Oras natin 16 seconds. And the third quarter, naghahabol pa rin ang Triple M DC drug testing. Ayun, next game natin mga idol, second game ng SBL ng Team Papawis. Win Tupol kontra Project Say. 66-56, 10. 10 seconds. Number 4, season. 5 seconds. Up the buzzer. No! And a third quarter, official score. 66-56. Ayun, shoutout muna kay Boss Omar Prado at sa bumubuo ang SBL ng Team Papawis. Shoutout muna sa sponsor ng SBL, Alayo Glass and Aluminum, De Brusco Cake and Pastries, Dark Cafe, Q&A Business Management, and BNG Water Station Underground Sportwear, and JTK Audio Light Rental, powered by Bravo Official, and Modern Bike Shot, and GDR Creatives. Final quarter na tayo. Fourth quarter, final quarter. Maaalagaan ba ng Colas Prince Shop ang kalamangan nila? O uunti-untiin ng Triple MDC in the fourth quarter? Marsaleñas for the 3. Yes, sir! 69-56. Balik sa 13 ang kalamangan ng Colas. To number 6, Masbad. Bring the ball to De Los Santos. Pull up J. Huli ka. Put back number 15. Wala po. Nilawa ng ring. Put back number 6, Masbad. No, wala pa rin sa Triple MDC. Kalagdo, 15-footer. Kalagdo is good. 69-58. 11 ang kalamangan dito ng Colas in the fourth quarter. Final quarter. Arada for the three. Air ball. Oras natin. 9 minutes exactly. $69-58. And on Sly. Bolero for the three. Rebound number 15. Power move. Fake. Running shot. No. Kalagdo. Putback. Kalagdo. May foul. Pati sa inyo ng SBL ng Team Papawisan. Basket 69-58. Kalagno. Unang tira. It's good. Pangalawang tira. Kalagno. 2 for 2 kay Kalagno. Babasa siya mga kalamangan ng Colas 69-60. Arada. Pass the number. Bilal kay Arada. Number 25. Anong gagawin dito ng Colas? Pull up J. Arada. Of Douglas. Grabe naman dito si Arada. 71-60. Elon Sly. To Kalagno. Favorite shot. Napalakas din. To number 2. Marsaleñas. Favorite shot. Basket is good. Oras natin. 8 minutes exactly. In the final quarter. Fourth quarter. 73-60. No. Rebound number 6. Masbad fake. Masbad fade away. No. Kalagno. Putback. Kalagno is good. 73-62. Abante pa rin ang Colas in the fourth quarter. Oras natin, 7 minutes and 30 in the fourth quarter. Fake shot. Pull up J. Basket is good. 75-62. To number 9, Kalagno. Masbad for that 3. Yes, sir! Hatid sa inyo ng SBL. Team Papawis and Dunkin Donut. Pasalubong ng bayan. 75-65. Intercept dito ng Triple M. Still. 75-65. Still. Masbad. And on Sly. No. Putback. It's good. Oras na 6 minutes and 30. Pull up jumper. 75. 65. No. Rebound number 9. Kalagno. May foul. Tama ba yun? Ayan, shoutout muna kay Boss Omar Prado at sa bumubuo ng commissioner ng SBL ng Team Papawis. Official score 75-67. Baba sa 8 ang kalamangan ng Colas Spring Shop. Ayan, maraming salamat muna sa sponsor ng SBL. Aleo Glass and Aluminum, Di Brusco Cake and Pastries, Dark Cafe, Q&A Business Management, and BNG Water Station, Underground Sportwear, J2K Audio Night, Rental powered by Bravo Official, and Modern Bright Shot, and GDR Creatives. Balik action tayo. 75-67. May pagkakataon mabawasan ng kalamangan ng Colas in the fourth quarter, final quarter. And on Sly, Masbad for that 3. No. Oras na ulit, 6 minutes exactly. Arada. To Anore, wala pass, fake. Power move is good. Number 6, Masbad. Tukalagdo, huli ka! Welcome to SBL! Ang Team Papawis Season 3 Second Conference. Blanco-blanco yun, 77-67. 10 ang kalamangan ng Colas. Wala pass! Back-to-back basket. Butas na butas ang depensa sa ilalim. Number 3, Alansay. Abyan, 79-67. Masbad. And on slide, for that three, niluwalaw ring. Number 2, Marzaleñas. Ay, shoutout mo na kay Kagawad. Jason James Diaz ng long field pull-up jumper. Basket is good. Grabe yung Colas friendship dito. 81-67. Abyan, power move. Abyan, huli ka. Paso Arada. Basket is good. Oras natin 4 minutes and 20. 83-67. Matamis na di sa isang kalamangan ng Colas friendship kontra Triple MDC. 83-67. Ayun, hatid sa inyo ng SBL ng Team Papawis Season 3 Second Conference. Ayun, shoutout mo na kay Boss Omar Prado at sa bumubuo ng Commissioner ng SBL. Oras natin 4 minutes and 20. And a final quarter, fourth quarter, 83-67. 16 ang kalamangan ng Colas. Masbad. Soriano for the 3. Airball. Rebound na kanino. Abyan is good. 83-69. Number 28, Anore. Number 2. 14 ang kalamangan ng Colas. Still, Abyan. 2-on-1 na labanan. Abyan, Tukalagdo, 3-on-1. To number 4, Abyan, binali pa. Gandang depensa dito ang Colas friendship. To number 77, Marzaleñas for the 3. No. 83-69. 14 ang kalamangan in the fourth quarter. Anore. Oras natin 3 minutes. One running chant kay Anore. Basket is good. Intercept. To Anore. No. Arada. 85-69. Oras natin 3 minuto in the fourth quarter. Anore for the 3. Kalagdo. Pass to number 6. Masbad. He's a layup. Oras natin 2 minutes and 40 in the fourth quarter. 85-71. Gandang ball movement ang ginagawa dito ng Colas. Arada is good. Grabe yung Colas dito. 87-71. Balik sa 16. Balik sa 16 ang kalamangan ng Colas. 87-71. Oras natin 2 minutes and 20. 87-71 in the fourth quarter. malaki pa rin ang kalamangan ng Colas del Santos. Number 8, Soriano. Masbad. Intercept dito ng Colas. Last 2 minutes. Atin sa inyo ng SBL Season 3 Second Conference. Ito number 77. Anong gagawin dito ng Colas? 15 second shoot. Rebound number 6. Masbad. Oras natin 1 minute and 50. Number 6. Masbad. To Soriano for the 3. Rebound na kanino. Bola pa rin ng Colas. Number 77 pull up J off the glass. Basket is good. 89-71. Masbad. Doing the ball. May foul.
Sa kanila.
Power move. Big. Foul. Basket naman.
Dito na sa ano, nagyaya.
89-74. Abante pa rin ang Colas in the fourth quarter. 1 minute and sagli. In the fourth quarter. 10 second to shoot. Number 77. O number 23. 5 seconds. Ano re? No. 40 seconds in the fourth quarter. Number 9. Palardo. Number 6. Fake. Spin move. Fade away. Masbad. No. 89-74. Ano re? 89-74. Nangangamoy. Panalo na ang Colas dito. In the fourth quarter. 10 seconds. Ayan, final score na tayo mga idol. Final score na tayo, 89-74. De Los Santos.
Ayan na. Oo, wala.
Final score, 89-74. Nanaig pa rin ang Colas Spring Shop kontra Triple MDC. Maraming salamat.
Chairman na ano? Chairman na 5-star to. 5-star na palaw.
Shoutout sa kay Boss Ronald Arabit ng Brab Official. Final score.
Shoutout kay Chairman Omar Prado. 5-star na palaw.
Ayun, ganito na lang. Final score, 89-74. At sa bumubo ng SBL ng Team Papawis, shoutout mo na kay Boss Omar Prado. And SBL ng Team Papawis, Aleo Glass and Aluminum, De Brusco Cake and Pastries, Dark Cafe, Q&A Business Management, BNG Water Station, Underground Sportwear, J2K Audio 9 Pedal, Power by Brand Official, Modern Brand Shot, GDR Creatives. Final score 89-74. Nanaig ang Colas. Ayun, next game natin, Queen Tupol kontra Project C. And good night, magandang gabi. Second game natin, Queen Tupol kontra Project C. And thanks for watching. Happy Tuesday and good night.